Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we'll explore the filters available in the Library Search feature and how you can use them to get the most out of your searches. In the Filters panel, you'll see several expandable subsections, each offering different options to fine-tune your results. These include source price adjustment, remove, virtual media, cost, profit and ROI, other filters. Let's start by looking at the source price adjustments and cost sections. The filters in these two sections do not affect which products are added from a scan. Instead, they can influence the gross profit and ROI calculations only. For example, in the store reductions filter, if you enter a value of 20, it applies a negative 20% discount to product prices, which is then factored into the gross profit and ROI. The store price reductions filter includes 3 fields, allowing you to enter multiple discount levels. For instance, if you input 5% in the first field and 7% in the second, both discounts will be applied, and these combined values will appear in your View Library page when calculating profit and ROI. Similarly, the state sales tax and provider shipping cost filters work in reverse. They use positive values. So instead of entering negative 20%, you'd enter 20 to apply a 20% increase. The cost section allows you to enter prepping and shipping costs, which are also factored into your gross profit and ROI calculations. Next is the virtual media subsection. This section also doesn't affect which products are included in your scan, but it functions differently from the previous two. Here, you can create virtual products for both new and used items, letting you estimate ROI for those specific conditions. For example, if there's no current FBA seller and you see a potential opportunity, you can enter a percentage below Amazon new price to simulate what a merchant-fulfilled used item might sell for. Tactical Arbitrage will then use this data to calculate a potential ROI. For new products, you can also choose to create a virtual product when the buy box holder isn't Amazon or an FBA seller. In that case, the system uses the lowest merchant-fulfilled new price and the list price to estimate ROI. Now let's move on to the filters that do determine which products are added from your scans. These are found in the Remove and Profit and ROI subsections. The Remove filters are straightforward. For instance, enabling Remove if restricted for my account will automatically exclude any products you're restricted from selling. The Profit and ROI filters are generally intuitive, but 2 are worth special attention. Also show if a trade-in ROI is at least, and only show if a trade-in ROI is at least. Amazon offers a used trade-in program where they cover postage and provide reimbursement in Amazon gift cards. Here, you can set a threshold, say 30%, and enable either of these filters. This ensures that along with your regular ROI filters, you'll also see books where the difference between the purchase cost and the trade-in rebate is greater than 30%. Lastly, under Other filters, you can choose to include or focus on Amazon out-of-stock products. You have 2 options. Also show Amazon out-of-stock results, which includes them alongside other listings, and only show Amazon out-of-stock results, which displays only items currently unavailable on Amazon. And that wraps up our walkthrough of filters in the Library Search feature. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.